to see. A wild safari adventure, oh so free. Steve and Maggie with their hats so bright, ready to explore from morning to night.
Zoom, zoom, in the Jeep we go, through the tall grass where the wild winds blow. Lions roar, hello there friends, with tails that swish and paws that bend.
Giraffes so tall, reaching the sky, nibbling the leaves, oh so high. Steve says wave, Maggie laughs with glee. This is the place for you and me.
Elephants stop with a trumpet loud, splashing the water, making a cloud. Maggie sprays water, Steve takes a bow. Wild animals magic, show us how. Monkeys swing from tree to tree, chattering songs so happily.
Banana, banana, they cheer and play. Come join the fun, don't run away.
Zebras prance in black and white, dancing around in the sunlight. Steve and Maggie clap their hands, join the safari dance in the golden sands.
Snakes slither with a hiss so sly, peeking their heads as we walk by.
Don't worry, friends, they just say hi.
Adventure safe under the sky.
Parrots squawk in colors bright, red and blue, oh what a sight. Flying above with a magical swirl,
Hello kids, give it a twirl.
hippos yawn in the muddy pool, splashing around like it's super cool.
Steve biggles, Maggie sings. Magic of animals brings such wings.
Cheetahs run fast and sleek, racing the wind, hide and seek.
Catch us if you can, they call with pride. On the safari, fun won't hide.
Kangaroos bounce with a hop, 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 into the trees, then flip and drop.
Maggie laughs, Steve jumps too. All the animals want to play with you.
Night falls softly, stars twinkle bright, fireflies dance with magical light. Steve and Maggie wave goodbye with a gentle roar, a magical sigh.
Tomorrow we'll return, venture anew to see the lions, monkeys, and kangaroo.
Sing with us, friends, clap your hands.
Animal safari venture is in all lands.
So pack your bags, grab your hat, magic awaits, imagine that. Steve and Maggie lead the way in the wild animal safari today.
Roar, splash, swing and soar. They think she's magic forevermore.
Come along, sing and play, wild animals magic every day. From jungle green to river blue, every creature has a story too. Steve and Maggie, friends so true, bring the safari adventure right to you.
Jump, skip, laugh, and spin. Every wild animal invites you in. Magic, fun, and songs to sing with Steve and Maggie adventure bring.
So roar like a lion, hop like a kangaroo, swing like the monkey, splash in the zoo. Animal safari adventure, come along today with Steve and Maggie. Let's laugh and play. Hey!
Hey kids, come along, we're off to see a wild safari adventure, oh so free. Steve and Maggie with their hats so bright, ready to explore from morning to night.
Zoom, zoom, in the Jeep we go, through the tall grass where the wild winds blow.
Lions roar, hello there friends, with tails that swish and paws that bend. Giraffes so tall, reaching the sky, nibbling the leaves, oh so high. Steve says wave, Maggie laughs with glee. This is the place for you and me. The elephants stomp with a trumpet loud, splashing the water, making a